Hi, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw a cute Squishmallow of Sonic. Let's start with the Squishmallow shape. Bring it around, and I'm drawing with my whole arm. My whole arm moved for that. The more you practice your drawing, the better you get. So once you've got that sort of shape, now we're going to draw the belly of Sonic, coming around like so. Just bring it around. Now I'm going to put his little nose in, leaving a little white highlight. Let's colour that in black. In the middle. Now let's bring the Sonic face on, shaped like this. Bring it up. Now let's bring his eyes where his eyes are going to be. So his eyes come down, up, down, up, and back around like that. Let's put some black eyes on for Sonic. Colour those in. There's one there. Another one there. Now don't forget his smile, a little bit like this. There's his smile, and now we need his ears. So rounded triangle shape or line, and then another one. We're going to do the same over the other side. 1, 2, and then we're going to just put the little spikes in there, just rounded little shapes like this. One,